Hello guys, welcome to the new tutorial of SolidWorks 2020 Advanced Feature Part Feature. In this tutorial you will learn about the mirror feature of the SolidWorks 2020. So to learn the mirror feature, I am taking the new part. I make new part. For making the new part, you can click on Control and N directly. You can or you can go to the file and click on New and select the part and click on OK. Okay, for reference I am taking the sketch of a rectangle of any dimension. Go to the feature and click on extrude boss of up to 20 and click on OK. Okay, now click on mirror, select the mirror face or plane. I am taking the face and feature to be mirror, that is one feature, that is extrude boss extrude, and click on OK. You will see the feature is completely different, and if you want to changes you can drag like this. Okay, and then you can, if I'm taking the fillet, this plane, these edges up to face fillet, select the two faces, this and this, click on OK. Okay, this face fillet. Now drag in before, you can see this not changed because we have not selected the fillet in mirror feature. If you want to add, just click on mirror and go to the edit feature and select the fillet, and it will go to automatically get this feature. That is, you can see what's our part is beautifully part is made it by using the mirror feature tool. Okay, now in next, not next, in this tutorial we have new that is draft. Okay, what is draft? Taper model faces by the specified angle using a neutral plane or a parting line. Draft is often used to make a molded part easier to remove from the mold. Okay, what is the use of the draft? It is used to make the, to get the molded part from the mold. Okay, in sheet metal you will learn this draft. If you want, you can go and take the new course. Okay, basically just click. I'm not taking this in this course, so I think you are enjoying. I will meet you next video. You are going to be enjoy more and more, and you will get the more fun. If there is any query or doubt, just ask me in description, in comment. I will definitely give your answer and give your, and I will improve by your feedback. Okay, thank you.